Can we like make some noise for the superstars here with us?
अरे
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for superstars Salman Khan and Meg. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Meera Ella Unnaru, sir. Yeah, I've learned that. Welcome. So good
Better
to see
talk in Telugu with me. Better. I'll be comfortable.
So, congratulations,
You
sir.
speak
Sir,
Speak it.
no, sir, I just do the first bit and aage.
Farzi.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for doing this. First of all, you know, there are so many things that I would like to know about, and जितने लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं वो भी जानना चाहेंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले सर, pan India star, pan India superstar. We've been, you know, hearing this word अभी कुछ पिछले सालों से बहुत ज़्यादा often. But you've always been there. Sir has always been there. You know, पूरी country, पूरी दुनिया से प्यार मिलता है. What do you have to say on that?
Good evening. And as you
I want to
asked,
wish good evening.
long ago, I tried to come into the Hindi field with a film name Pratibandh, and then followed by Gentleman and Aishka Gonda Raj. That time I don't know, there was a separation, the regional films and national films, Hindi. And then after that I tried, but somehow I was so busy and I had to concentrate only on Telugu films. That's how I was away from the Hindi films. Always I wanted to see there should be one film that's called Indian film. There is no regional, there is no Indian film.
Correct.
It's my strong wish that they should come. एक छोटा कहानी तो बोलना पड़ेगा इसमें. I don't know whether it is controversial or what, but I'll let me
जितना
express that.
controversial उतना better.
In 85, I made a film named Rudraveena. That film won Nargis Dutt Award, the National Integrity Award. That time I happened to be here to receive that award on behalf of my producers. So at the time of Haiti, I was going through that place where they were showing all the history of the Indian cinema. I was curious to know, see Prithviraj Kapoor to Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar Saab, and Raj Kumar Saab, and all the big stalwarts I've been watching. And hardly I could see any South Indian actors. Maybe MGR photograph I have seen a brief history with Jayalalitha ji. And then I'm eagerly waiting to see Kannada Rajkumar, NTR of Andhra Pradesh, and ANR and other heroes. There are top heroes, legendary heroes who were treated as demigods. I could not see those photographs. And Sivaji Ganeshan was a fantastic actor of our country. I could see. Then I was felt very pain. So here, to the foreign delegates, how these people are here, who are there, they're projecting Indian cinema means only Bollywood Hindi cinema. No, there are other wonderful actors are there, wonderful films are there, be it Malayalam, be it Kannada and Tamil and Telugu and other small languages of Orissa and Bhojpuri, other films. So I felt very bad that time. So I was wishing those barriers should go. Whether it is South films or North films, every film is Indian film. Our sentiment is the same. Our emotions are same. Our actors are all great. So now that day has come, and recent years, and from where it has started, I don't want to give the clarity. Everybody knows it.
Anna,
But
Garu, I will tell you where I started from. It started
followed by
from one brain dead earlier journalist who from Hollywood got Bollywood. Now they have Bollywood, Tollywood. So it started from there. We've always wanted it to be Indian film industry.
That's what I wish. That day has come, that's arrived now. Now the people's heart, the people's hands are broad enough to welcome each other. I'm really emotional, so great. Now when the film comes, very recent film, Ram Charan, some RRR, and people are receiving Ram Charan as their own guy, own person. As a father, once I was not received like that. When they're receiving Ram Charan, I felt so happy. My dream came true through Ram Charan. And that's how the days has evolved. And really, I'm proud to be now an Indian actor.
But Chirugaru, your films have been accepted here. Our films have not been accepted there.
Sir, you are much more advanced, or you are much more advanced audience. Slowly the day comes, sir. All we are here to take you. That's the reason. This is one of the reasons why I asked Sallu bhai, please, why don't you come through this film? We introduce you so that the acceptance will come automatically. So the day it is set. This is the first
Right
step.
there, it's
Started.
right there. First step, yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपके लिए एक ही सवाल, वो ये है कि आप दोनों को साथ में स्क्रीन पे देख के एकदम गूज बम्स आते हैं, मेगा स्टार सुपरस्टार साथ में. व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू थिंक सर को एकदम मेगा स्टार चिरंजीवी जी
You know,
बनाता
when they say casting couch does not exist, it's wrong. Casting couch does exist.
है? ये धीरे धीरे आएगा.
नहीं, बहुत जल्द आएगा. So we were doing a commercial together in
Thumbs up, yeah, along with thumbs up.
in Thailand.
Thailand, yeah.
So we both flew down together. Bombay आए. और फिर he was taking a flight to Hyderabad in the morning. So the only one person apart from me who slept on my couch is Chirugaru. So we landed at about 1:32, and then we sat up and we spoke, and then he had to catch a flight. So I said, go to the bedroom, go to sleep. He says, no, I'll sleep on the couch. Now, how to tell him I sleep on the couch? So I said, okay. I went to the bedroom, went to sleep. He went to sleep on the couch, and first thing, he took his flight in the morning. So the only one person apart from me who's used my couch to sleep is Chirugaru. So there is, casting couch, and because of that, I was casted in this film. So he told me that there's a small role in this film. I said, Chirugaru, make me stand behind you. I am fine. He said, no, I'll give you a very noble role, and that's what he did.
I requested him, please, already it's a original film was there, there's a Lucifer. You can see the Prithviraj Sukumaran, who has happened to be a director, he acted that. It's very good character, a very respectable character, a special character. My wish, as per my director requested, you please, if you could do that, I'll be very happy. Don't ask so request. You tell me, you want me to do? Yes, I'll be very happy. I'm doing it. No, before that, just watch the character. If you like, then only. Otherwise, I don't pressure. Chirugaru, you said do it, I'm doing it. I don't, that's some word, some beep word is used, that's it. And that is so, all these things happen in 10 minutes time.
Which
And
one was
then-
the beep word, Chirugaru? There are 4, 5 I use.
It's really, I'm really overwhelmed. I said, that's the first time I got, this film is going to be hit. That's it. When he says yes means the strength, the aura of the film has been erased. I feel really very happy. I think from there onwards, everything is going on. Whenever we ask, he's been giving, because of some other problem, we could not make use of his dates. Again, sorry, Salu bhai. No problem. Tell me when you want. So December. Definitely I'll do that. That's such a cooperative. We are so embarrassed. So we were so much tensed, not waste even a single day of his. That's how. And here one more thing, with the heartfelt, I want to tell you, Salu bhai. Really, I will indebted to lifetime to you. When my producers went to hand over one check or big check to him, and indirectly through their managers, they said, Salu bhai ko boliye aise dena hai. I think he, the manager, I don't remember his name, he went inside and with the same speed he came out, sir, please, I don't take this risk, sir. He said one word, how the producers are, they want to buy my love and affection towards Chiranjeevi and Ram with this price? No. However they give, I don't care. I'm doing with the love and affection, that much of love and affection. He's been showering on us. We are really overwhelmed. And who else that much a big heart other than Salman Khan? So thank you so much. And me and Ram Charan really will indebted for lifetime to Salubhai, really.
Chiru, not a question about heart. It's a question of the love for cinema that I have, you have. And those days I was not doing anything. Thank you for making me a part.
See his modesty. That's a great, really, it's a wonderful experience, even after having been done more than 154 films, and again doing this film, the same kind of excitement I've been getting how I used to do in my earlier days, that much of Josh. I think people can see my Josh while working this song. I'm really so happy, so energetic while doing. And especially at the time of song sequence, and Prabhudeva was there, director, and everybody was there. That time, he was so jolly, he's bubbling, and it has made us do much more magic with his presence. And we could see on the screen later. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank you.
Now would like to invite on stage, there's this very important person, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Kumar Mangat is here, Panorama Studios se, who's distributing this movie, Hindi territory mein. So please give him a big round of applause. Welcome, sir. So good to see you. And would request the producers to kindly, welcome him. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kumar sir, for being here and doing the honors. It's so lovely to have you here. Sir.
Thank you everybody. Thank you चौधरी साहब, प्रसाद जी, सलमान भाई, सर, मुझे ये फिल्म रिलीज करने का मौका मिला और हम लोग पूरा जस्टिफाई करेंगे जो बेस्ट से बेस्ट हो सकेगा. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for doing this. बहुत shukriya. Can we have the chairs now? Thank you. And now it's time for you to shoot your questions. जी मैम मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास ज़रूर. We'll just arrange the chairs. जी.
Hello. Hello. Hi. My question is for Chiranjeevi Garu. Hello, sir. So on your right. On your right, sir. Sir, you actually mentioned a story about how only Hindi film actors were kind of shown during the Rudra Veena thing. Today, Ram Charan has found a mention in the Oscar 2023 best actor list. What do you have to say about that? Because it's something which is very proud moment for India also, that an actor's name is there in the mention in the Oscar 2023. And as a father, what do you have to say?
No, really, it's a proud moment for me. I'm really very happy. That's what I was expressing. These kind of days should come. That was my agony in those times. And it's not because of Charan only, it's a collective effort. So my director Rajamouli, through that film, through those actors, he's tried to hit the bullseye and get the attention. and even it was supposed to probabilities. It entered into the probabilities of Oscars. It's a pride moment for me.
Thank you, sir.
Hi Salman sir. Hello Chiranjeevi sir. Salman sir, my question is to you. You know, everyone spoke about how you came on board for the cameo over here, and then you are very close to the family, and I believe Ramcharan sir has also shot with you. How did that happen? Like the cross culture over there.
How do you know that Ram has shot with me? पहले तो इसका जवाब दो मुझे.
Heard that he has shot with you for your next.
True story. So we were shooting in Hyderabad, and Venki was there with me. We were shooting, so he came to see me, and he said, "I want to do this," and I said, "No, no, 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 no." He said, "I want to be with you, and I want to be with Venki in the same frame." So I thought he was just kidding. So I said, "No, we'll talk about this tomorrow." Tomorrow he got his van. He got his costume. He's got everything. He was there before us. So I said, "What are you doing?" I said, "No, I want to be here." And I said, "We love you and we want you to be here, but is it okay for you to be here?" They said, "Yeah." And that's how he came into the film. And we had a great time shooting. Yeah. And after that as well. Much better.
And Chiranjeevi sir, a question for you. You know, this is a remake of a Malayalam film called Lucifer. There is a sequel as well to Lucifer being made. Are you planning similar things for Godfather as well?
As of now, I don't have any idea. Even he doesn't have. But yesterday, when he was showing the last reel, he kept one or two unnecessary scenes. As of now, that time I felt. But after seeing those end scenes of somebody talking in Interpol in somewhere about my re-entry into this again underworld, I thought, do you have any idea of making this part two? No, sir. Nobody knows, because if chance comes, this scene will be helpful. So that I kept it. In such case, okay, go ahead. Maybe, we don't know. But I was talking to the director, Prithviraj Sukumaran, and he said once, "Sir, that was just coming very well. If you are interested, I will let you hear the subject." That maybe possibilities are there to make part two of Godfather.
चलो मेरी पिक्चर कंफर्म हो गई.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. My question was,
I am moving to the south.
sir, over here in front of you, Salman sir and Chiranjeevi sir. My question for both of you. Sir, the question is like, you know, if you see yesterday's movie, oh, yes, on your right hand side up. The question is, मेरा कि, yeah, go here. Sir, yeah.
Raise your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sir. Yeah.
So if you see yesterday's superstars working together, everybody has seen the clashes, ego on the screen. So I want to share, like, I want to know about when you two superstars were facing each other. Was there any kind of egoistic or clashes or something?
No, not such case, it will not arise in our, with both of us, because we love each other, we adore each other, we respect each other. So in such things are existing, there's no scope to have ego. It doesn't. Because, and especially we are senior most, we are not youngsters who is competing to each other. No, such things will not arise. So our maturity makes us feel comfortable.
And you're also going by one or two examples. You know, all of us have done earlier double hero films, triple hero films. These things have never happened apart from one or two films. And that also would not be the actor's fault. It would somewhere be the director's fault. Because क्या रोल सुना है और किसके साथ ज़्यादा partiality हो रही है उसके वजह से हुआ on creative differences. But I don't think that he must have had any problem working with anyone, or I have had any problem. And I worked a lot of two heroes. I worked with Sanju, Sunny, Jackie, Shah Rukh, Amir, Saif, everyone, Aki. I've never had this problem, ever. So I don't know ये आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो. जब बात कर रहे हो तो वो example दे दो. किसकी बात कर रहे हो आप?
Even for that,
Huh?
need not be matured and seniority. Even youngsters like Tarak, NTR and Ramcharan did. They don't have any other hassles like this. They loved each other. So, as he says, it's depend upon the director who is supposed to balance and satisfy their egos. He doesn't erase individual actors. They don't mind acting with each other.
See, it all depends on the film, on the script. If you do not like the actor and you like the script, either don't do it or start liking the actor. Simple.
Chiranjeevi Garu, my question is to you. So on your right, so this way. So,
Yes, please. Again, you, number one.
So, Nagarjuna Garu has a release called Ghost on the same day, and he has said that both the films will do well. You all are all friends and a big family out there. Does it ever get difficult to keep the competition aside and just go and?
No, first of all, we don't feel that we are competing to each other. So each film is a unique. We have to show our talent. We have to prove through that film. And if it's liked by the audience, there ends the matter. That's it. Whether it's a flop or hit. So it doesn't arise. So even on my other day in Anantapuram, drenching in the rain, I was wishing my friend as well. It should feel, Ghost also should be a big hit.
We'll
Hi,
take two more questions, right?
Salman
Ji.
sir, hi.
Yeah, please.
Hi, Salman sir. Like you said, you became a part of the film because of the kind of affection and friendship that you share with Chiranjeevi sir. But did you also look at it as an opportunity where you felt like this could be a big challenge because the language is different, the setting is different, the sensibilities perhaps are also different?
I've spoken one line in Telugu and the rest is Hindi. And that was a big challenge. Big challenge.
There's nothing at all similar with that legendary film, Godfather. I was a little skeptical to actually to go with the name Godfather beginning. Except for Chiranjeevi sir, I wouldn't have dared to keep that name. Except for the name, nothing else goes with that cult classic Godfather. And this film deals with the image of a hero. The hero is called Brahma, and the dynamics of the hero, it is omnipresent. It is the biggest image-driven movie. This is even the screenplay is written based on this particular character image. Yeah, image. So that is the only reason, and nothing else. Nothing else.
We'll take one last question, ladies and gentlemen. Ji,
Yeah, Nitin. Yeah.
Ji, yeah.
Hi, Salman. My question is to you, sir, actually, because this is your first Telugu film, per se. I mean, we have seen actors who have done movies in the South previously, but this is your first film. Will we be seeing you doing more films in South, perhaps? Because that is something, it is an opportunity today that we are all looking at.
See, people want to go to Hollywood. I want to go to the South.
Thank you so much. Ji, sir.
And the thing is that once we start all working together, just imagine the numbers that we will have. That is the main thing. That people watch it here, people watch it in the South. You have all the theaters, fans go and watch him, me, then they become my fans, we become his fans. So just everyone just grows and grows and grows, and the numbers become really large. अभी ये जो हम कहते हैं कि 300 करोड़ 400 करोड़, I think if this all of us get together, I think we cross 3,000 4,000 crores.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's time to go click, click, click. Over to you. Yeah? Ho jaye? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys were awesome. And congratulations to the entire team. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. हाँ मैं करता हूँ 2 सेकंड